Products as a YouTube affiliate. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video I cover YouTube's new feature. You can add products to earn commission. That's right folks, for each video you can add a product list. Not external links, but right on YouTube, you can add products to earn commission on each sale. In this video I show you step by step. So, in this Wi-Fi adapter video, I added a product, the tagged one. So the product I discuss in this video, I also added to earn commission. So for this product at 124.80, if it sells, I earn about 16.1% commission. How can you add this to your videos? First, select the video where you want to add products. For example, in this video, I talk about the Epson printer. I'm going to add an Epson printer as a product in this video. So here's the video, thumbnail and description. Down here, you'll find this products option. You'll click on it. Click here to add products. Here folks, you'll type in the product you want to add. It automatically recognized the product I mentioned in the video and suggested this printer. So here's the printer everyone. Just click here to select it. You can add more products if you want. For example, I'll add the cover too. Just click done. I'll click save and there you go folks. In the video, viewers will see both products tagged. Let me open the video here. Epson L3150 printer. So here's the video. I'll scroll down. Here are the two products I added to this video to earn affiliate commission. Got it everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless you. Thanks.